Hello guys, welcome again to another edition of your everyday computer software tips and tricks. Today I'll be showing you how you can migrate your WordPress website from one hosting platform to another. So if you develop your WordPress website locally and you are now ready to move it to your hosting platform, this is how you go about it. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use a simple plugin to do this. So I've logged into my WordPress website right now, and all I need to do is go to plugins. So you need to go to plugins, and when you are in plugins, just go to add new, and then when it loads up, just search for a plugin called all-in-one migration. So just type all-in-one migration in there, and then the plugin will just pop up. So this is how the plugin looks like, all-in-one WordPress migration. So just install it, wait for a second for it to install. After it's installed, just activate, and then you see it on the left hand side of your WordPress dashboard, on the left hand side. So it's activated now. Now let's go to all-in-one migration. Now when you are there, this is how you go about it. So you can either import a WordPress website here, or you can export what you have here and then put it on another hosting platform. So suppose you want to export our WordPress website, we just need to click export, and then it will ask us the format in which we want to export it in, whether we want to export it as a file through FTP, Dropbox, Google Drive, whichever one we want to, or want to send it to, we can actually do that. So in my case, I normally do that through as a file. So when I click file, it starts exporting my WordPress website. Both the database and all the files will be in one file, so that exporting it or importing it into another hosting platform will be very easy. So here I have the WordPress files and databases all being exported into one file for me. When it's done, I can just save it on my desktop, and then I also have to create the WordPress, or create WordPress on the hosting platform that I want to move this website to. I'll have to create a WordPress website on that one, install the all-in-one plugin on that WordPress, and then I can also import the file that I exported from here onto that website, if that makes sense. So as you can see here, it's finished exporting. It said 480 megabytes. I can just hit on it and then download what it has exported for me, save it on the file, and I'll be good to go. So when I move to the hosting platform where I want to move this file or migrate this website to, this time I'll have to go to import. So if I'm importing a WordPress website onto this hosting platform, this time I'll have to go to import. And when you go to import, it will say drag and drop a backup to import it. So when you click on import from, and then you click on file, then you can go to the exported WordPress website which you exported from, which we just exported, and import it onto our new WordPress hosting platform. So you get the gist of how you go about it. You can either export or also import into another hosting platform. So this is how you go about migrating your WordPress website from one hosting platform to another. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like the video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video.